This is just a short video again. It's the 18th of the 11th 2007. Just wanted to show what I've been up to today. Started to put all the cables into protective covering. Mounted the limit switches, which the cables are also encased. Got one limit switch mounted down there. Got another limit switch mounted down there. So one of those is for the X, one of those is for the Y. And we've got the Z axis limit switch mounted there. At the moment they're not connected at the computer end so far, but just wanted to show you that I've started to get everything set up a lot better. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell everything to Z Home. This is using software home positions at the moment and limits. There you go. That's the home positions. The home position is with the Z axis fully across to the right, the Y axis fully to the back, and the Z axis fully to the top. Okay, so as you can see, things are moving on.